Hello.
Hello.
Hello, sir. How are you?
I'm okay. How are you?
I'm also thank you calling about your TV service. Do you have TV service like Spectrum or Comcast like DISHTV or AT&T DirecTV?
I have DirecTV.
DirecTV. Oh, thank you, sir. I appreciate, sir. Sir, can you tell me how many TV do you have?
I have two.
2 TV. Okay. DirecTV. And 2 box. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes. I appreciate, sir. 2 TV and 2 box. Okay, sir. Sir, the reason of my call that inform you. You are. Can you hear me?
You said something about inform you, and you asked, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. The reason of my call that inform you this is the last month of the year, so our company changed the frequency in your area. So that's you need to upgrade your receiver box. Is you upgrade your receiver box, you can some dollar discount on your monthly bill. If you do not upgrade it, you have to lose your service from the first month of the next year. Okay?
Okay.
So please, sir, try to understand me.
So I have
listen to
to
me, sir.
upgrade or lose my service?
Sir, I have some dollar discount in your monthly bill. So please try to understand me. Direct TV. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay. 1 second, sir. Sir, your first and last name?
My first name is Robert, and my last name is Grinnell.
Okay, Robert. Sir, your last name is spelled?
G is in golf. R is
G?
in... That's right, so G is in golf. R is
Yes.
in Romeo.
Yes.
I is in India. N is in November. N is in November. E is in Echo. L is in Lima. L is in Lima.
Oh, I appreciate, sir. Sir, hold for 5 seconds. Let me transfer this call to my senior supervisor. He will explain you that better than me, okay?
Okay.
Listen to me. Sir, are you there?
Yes, I'm here. Uh-huh.
Okay, sir. Sir, can you please turn on your main TV?
Okay, my TV's in the other room. It's gonna take a few moments for me to get there. You move a bit slow when you're 88 years old.
Okay, sir. Never hang up the line. I'm holding for you. Check your TV.
Bleh, bleh. Excuse me, that happens every time I smoke Hindu Kush. Just another set of stairs to the TV.
What is this, sir?
I'm climbing the stairs to get to the TV. I just vomited on the stairs, but I'll be okay. I'll clean up the mess later. Okay, my remote control for the TV's in the drawer. Let me dig in the drawer. Okay, I'm turning on the TV. Here we are.
बहुत से लालो भाई लेकिन खत्म हो गई ये रात साला खत्म हो गई आए 1-2 मिनट हो 3 लाख 2 लाख हो नंबर होगा